Hey everybody, this is Julie. I'm Julie. Woohoo! Anyway, we are going to make easy homemade granola. And what we're going to need is we're going to need sunflower or grapeseed oil. I have sunflower. Then we're going to use maple syrup, or you can use honey. I'm going to see if I have a half a cup of maple syrup. I need to get this out of my fridge. Oh, I forgot my cinnamon. Cinnamon. Salt. I use the Himalayan salt. Old-fashioned rolled oats. Well, I don't have those. I have quick oats. Same thing, a little bit different. Sliced almonds. And it says other dried chopped fruits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put coconut. I don't have raisins because I hate raisins. I've got peanut butter everywhere from the last one. We're going to do dried cranberries. And then I'm going to cut up some medjool grapes. Listen to me. Like I said, I can't talk and read at the same time. We're going to do medjool dates. Okay? We're going to need a large bowl, a whisk, a measuring spoon, measuring cups, and a rimmed baking sheet. I have two just in case one's not big enough. And then parchment paper. I'll be right back. Okay, so let me get my stuff. Let me get my cutting board. Because first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my my dates. I don't have much makeup on because it's summertime and Bermuda grass is in full bloom, and I'm highly allergic to grass. Well, pretty much any kind of grass, but I get out there and I actually get out there and work in the yard. But I also have to take a lot of Benadryl. Okay, here we go. Put y'all down here where y'all can see what I'm doing.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me.